Good day, grade 1 learners. Welcome to your daily dose of learning in English 1. A as in apple, as in eggplant, I as in Indian, O as in orange, U as in umbrella. Now I know my short vowel sound. Yes, you heard it right. A, E, I, O, A are short vowel sounds that we already had in our first quarter. Today we will learn some words to increase your vocabulary with the other sounds of these vowels, which are called long vowel sounds. I will reveal some kind of clues in identifying long sounds of vowels, so you better watch out and memorize these clues. Let me start with the long vowel sound of A. I'll be singing it. Listen and watch closely as I flash the words, kids. Long A sound is A, 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 A. Long A sound is A, 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 A. R, A, N. R, A, N. Rain, rain. B, A, B, A, bait, bait. S, A, L, S, A, L. Sail, sail. S, A, S, A, say, say. B, A, B, A, bay, bay. A, A, pay, pay. A, A, cake, cake. A, S, A, S, face, face. G, A, G, A, game, game. What is the sound of long A? Very good. Long A, or this is read as A. We write and read long A between the two lines with a line above A. Did you get the clue, kids? Let us read the words again. Rain, bait, sail, say, bay, pay, cake, face, game. Perfect. We have AI on the first column, AY on the second column, and A plus consonant plus E on the third column. Most words with letter A together with I, with Y, with consonants plus E are read in A sound. Remember, the short A sound is read as a letter A between the two slanting lines, but with the line above the letter A is read as A. We will going to use this for long vowel sounds. I will also give you some words in English to read with long vowel sounds, but without any clue. So this you have to memorize, kids, like a, apron, apron, acorn, acorn, alien, 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 agent, agent, tomato, 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 potato, potato, baby, baby, lady, lady, table, table. There are still some more that you have to learn sometime now. Now we move on to the long vowel E sound. Long E sound is E, 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 E. Long E sound is E, 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 E. That is the long vowel E sound. E, E, fit, fit. E, E, keep, keep. N, E, d, N, E, d, need, need. S, E, O, S, E, O, seal, seal. L, E, f, L, E, f, lift, lift. M, E, M, E, meet, meet. Did you see what is with letter E that makes it E sound? Correct. Letter E is with letter E and with letter A. But in these words, me, E, E, me, B, E, B, me, be, she, and he, we hear the long E sound, even without the letter E or the letter A. And so with evil, evil, ego, ego, even, even, and equal, equal. Memorize these words without clues. Now you're learning more and more, kids. How about the letter I? Long I sound is I, 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 I. Long I sound is I, 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 I. I, s, I, s, mice, mice. I, I, kite, kite. B, I, b, I, bike, bike. R, I, r, I, right, right. S, I, s, I, sight, sight. L, I, L, I, light, light. I, pie, pie. tie, I, tie, tie, I, I, lie, lie. What did you note for long vowel I sound clues? Letter I with consonant plus E, letter I with GH, and letter I with E. Awesome! Those letters with letter I will really make the long I sound. Come on, let us read them again. Mice, kite, bike, ride, sight, light, pie, tie, lie. We also have iron, iron, idol, idol, item, item, idea, idea, and pilot, pilot. These words with letter I sound as I also, without any clue, kids. Do you know now what's the long sound of letter O and U? What is the sound of long O and long U now? Amazing. O and U. O sounds O, U sounds U. These or those are their long vowel sound. The long sounds of vowels are actually their names. Fantastic! You are getting the point, kids. Let us now have the words with letter O. B, O, N. B, O, N. Bone, bone. J, O, J, O, joke, joke. O, O, home, home. O, d, O, d, toad, toad. O, O, goat, goat. O, 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 loam, loam. B, O, B, O, bow. R, row, arrow, arrow. O, O, toe, toe. Did you spot the letter O with consonant and with E? How about the OA and the OW? That is great. O plus consonant plus E makes O sound. OA makes O sound. And words with OW is read with the O or long O sound. Do not also forget sound of O in go, go, so, no, go, so, no. And also in the words bonus, bonus, focus, focus, hotel, hotel, robot, robot, total, total, tomato, tomato, potato, potato, piano, piano are also some of the words with long O sound without any clue, kids. Let us have the long vowel sound of you. You, you, cute, cute. You, r, you, r, pure, pure. You, s, you, s, fuse, fuse. You, Q, Q, D, U, D, U, dew, dew, value, 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 uni, uniform, uniform, uni, unicorn, unicorn, unity, unity. I believe you already spot the U with their clues. U with consonants and with letter E. Here we have U and E. And here we have uni. Perfect. We read this as uni. Words without any clue but with letter U sounds as U. Human, human. Duty, duty. Music, music. Human, duty, music. Here are some of the words you need to memorize too. That's it. We already have all the long vowel sounds. Now let us have an activity. Which has long vowel sound? Vast, vase, vat. Did you choose vase? You are correct. Which has long vowel sound E? It's letter C. Team. T-E-E-E. Team. How about here? Which has long I sound? Very good. A. Sight. Sight. The IGH sounds I. 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 Sight. How about this one? Ike. Bike. Very good. Sight and bike here has long vowel sound. How about here, which has long O sound? We should select here coat. O, coat. C-O-W is read as cow. Even it has O-W. We do not read this as O. We read this as cow. And here we have O consonant E. We do not read this as comb. This is read as come. This does not always mean that we read this as co or come. There are exemptions to the rules, kids, and that you have to be aware of and memorize those. So here we have the long O, coat. This we have to read cow and this one is come. So the word with long O sound here is coat. This one, which has the long U. Universe, because of uni. Uni always read as uni. Universe. B is correct here. Now let us choose the correct name for the following pictures. This is an eel. What is the correct spelling for eel? Eel is in letter B. This is the correct spelling for eel. E-E-L. E-O. Eel. Not this one. These kids mean sick. Eel, sick. This is also read as eel, but this means sick. This one is the word for this picture. Letter B, eel. How about this? What are these? These are mice, yes. What's the correct spelling for mice? We do not spell mice as M-I-S-E. The correct spelling is in letter C. Very good. How about this one? This is a bone. Bone. As you can see in letter B, O-A is read as O, bone, but that is not the correct one, kids. Our answer should be in letter A, O-E, bone, bone. Good job, kids. How about this one? Rain. If we are to read all of these choices, we hear rain, 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 rain because of AY, AI, and AE. But there is the perfect spelling for these kids. Which of which? Be smart to choose and memorize the correct spelling for rain in letter B. Very good. That's the correct spelling for rain, kids. Good job. The most important thing for you to do now is to be an efficient reader. What do you do to be an efficient reader? Practice, practice, and practice will make you perfect reader. Now you are ready to answer your learning activity sheets. Good luck, kids. My special thanks to Jimena Catalina, who designed the PowerPoint background I used from Israel Carnival downloadable free, and to vectz.com for the pictures I used in this presentation. Thank you very, very much. Did you have fun singing, listening, and learning today? Me too. I enjoyed these 20 minutes of teaching and learning with you. Hoping you did well with your lesson today, kids. Again, this is your teacher broadcaster, Teacher Mona Lisa Arpakis, your teacher in grade 1, saying, learn English now. Be globally oriented to be globally competitive as you embrace the new normal education. Stay motivated, stay safe, God bless you, and enjoy the rest of the day. Tune in next time. Goodbye, everyone.